Cannes is always a good idea, especially when Cannes Film Festival takes place. First things first, I went to the palace to collect my accreditation. It's called 3 Days in Cannes, which allows you to attend the festival for short periods of time with access to all the screenings. Unfortunately, I was there during a rain period, but still it felt so good to be back. This year's banner reminded me of my first year in Cannes because it was also bluish, I think. So, I'm attending Cannes Film Festival this year. It's my third time here, like the third time with the same program, 3 days in Cannes. I actually made a detailed video about that, so if you're interested, you can check it out somewhere above. I just collected my badge, as you can see, and today there are some screenings already, some old film and an opening ceremony. Of course, I didn't get a ticket for an opening ceremony, but I'll see the same film tomorrow in the morning. I'm pretty excited about the interview with Meryl Streep. We'll see how it goes. I managed to visit the interview of Tom Cruise, like my first year in Cannes, and already. Then it was Jane Fonda the last year. Last year Quentin Tarantino was here, and you should have seen the line. It was just, I don't know. I will try to stand in a line for premieres because I still haven't got any ticket for premieres, and the last one is with Emma Stone and William Defoe. But even if you didn't get a spot for a premiere and you want to see the cast, it is absolutely possible. There is public access to the site of the red carpet where you can enjoy the whole thing. Also during the film festival, there are screenings on the beach that don't require a badge or an accreditation. Everyone is welcome to come. Also, the very first screening on the beach is always the film from the banner on the palace. So, my second day started with a great French movie, The Second Act, and a rendezvous with Meryl Streep.
I don't have a bodyguard. I don't know, how to have in home. I never have a bodyguard. They said you will need 9 bodyguards. I needed maybe a dozen the first time I came here because in the olden days, I don't know, there wasn't the same security, so all the barriers weren't there, and people would just The cameras were shoved up like this, you know? It was insane. And I almost didn't recover from that. I went to the hotel room and it was like this. I couldn't believe how wild it was. So that was 35 years ago. It's changed a lot. The world has changed a lot.
I read that you left it in the restroom.
Yes, I did. I did leave it in the restroom. It was a very big dress, and I had to lift it up and put the thing down, and then forgot that it was underneath there. And yes, but someone found it. The next person in.
You didn't even take it.
Yeah.
Also, if you missed the red carpet before the screening, you can always come by after. I was lucky to get a ticket for a midnight screening, so I saw even a dressed dog that was definitely the main star of the evening. It was my last day here in Cannes, and yeah, well, it's been gorgeous. It's been wonderful as always. I really hope to come next year. Yesterday we had a premiere of Metropolis by Francis Ford Coppola, and it was so busy. And today there are like 3 more screenings, and everything seems to be full. Everybody's so excited to see the film. I just wanted to say that after a couple of unsuccessful attempts to stand in a last-minute queue, sometimes it's just better to see the hyped film later on and focus on something else, because there are so many other wonderful films that are absolutely worth seeing and that are also in the official selection, so they are as good as any other film that is so, you know, so beloved. I actually saw people standing in a line, like securing a place in a last-minute line, starting from 5 a.m. in the morning for a film that is about to be premiered at 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening, which is like you spend the whole day queuing basically and seeing nothing else. So this is how it was in Cannes this year. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.